Hi, it's Carrie B. I'd like to invite you to please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can be reminded of when I go live and post new videos. Let's keep in touch.
For this week's card, I wanted to go through my scrap pile, and I wanted to create a cute frame for a Polaroid that Scout had taken a few years ago. She used a Polaroid Snap with the zinc 2x3 paper. So I went and I just grabbed some stuff that I was inspired by out of my scrap pile, and I went shopping for some sentiments. There's a little bit of everything here. Mini catalog, Beyond the Horizon, you name it. Paper pumpkin. I made a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card front to embellish, starting with the On the Horizon paper and some paper pumpkin alternative design that I had left over from Jungle Celebration this last month. The first measurement is the outside of the frame and the second is the inside window. I also added a little finger hole that is made with a 1-inch circle die to make it easier to get a picture in there. And then from here on out, I just took little scraps of papers that I had in my ditch pile that were from ideas that I had that didn't work out or extra pieces that I cut. Here is some celebration paper I used to show my March printables, 9 easy layouts. If you didn't get my newsletter, it was in there. You can still get that from me. Just drop me a line. The link is in my bio. This is a driving by van that I hand colored, and rainbows and sunshine from the last celebration. If you missed out, mark your calendars. Those celebrations come around every 6 months or so, and they are a great way to build your stash. Along this same style is something in the mini catalog called Abstract Beauty, and if you like this paper, then you will definitely like the Abstract Beauty suite. I would check that out. I use a paper pumpkin acrylic block to stamp my sentiment using gorgeous grape ink. This stamp is in the Honeybee Home set of products. Just says stay wonderful. And you'll see why it's nice to have a little bit of a finger hole to maneuver those pictures in. When you glue your frame down, make sure that you leave enough room for the picture to slide in to stay very, very close to the edges. And now we're gonna finalize the design with a little bit of embellishments. Don't forget, there's tons of different sequins, rhinestones, all at the back of the catalog usually under embellishments. These white ones are left over from my paper pumpkin January, and the other assortment is called Whale of a Time, and it was a clearance product. Don't forget to check out clearance products. They always have some really cute leftover items. And while you might not have the entire suite that goes with it, they're really versatile and you can use them in a lot of different applications. Those clouds are from the Give It a Whirl die set. I love those clouds. I use them a lot for a lot of different things. And next month on my order, I'm going to be ordering my Take Your Pick tool so that I can show you guys how that works with the sequins a little bit better than just tweezers. This month's promotion for March is a mini die machine. If you are interested in cutting out your own die shapes, this month is a great month to get a mini die machine, 20% off. Normally $60, it's $48 this month, and it's a great, handy, travel-ready tool that is also nice for small workshops. And lastly, here we've got some Baker's twine that I got on clearance as well from a Playful Pets suite. I don't have that entire suite, but I love this twine. Their ribbons are perfect for card applications because they're so tiny, lightweight, and sturdy. And I'm just going to glue it down with a little bit of my Tombow 3-in-1 glue. And you're ready to rock. Great for a scrapbook or a card, and would be great for school pictures too. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.